Hello everyone, welcome to our today new video. So the topic of our today new video will be about subnetting. So in our previous video we have discussed about the definition of IP address and subnetting, but in this video we'll learn about how to do subnetting. So without any further delay, let's just start our video. So here you can see a table which I have made to understand you properly. So in the first column of this table you can find a various CIDR value, and the first column value is coming from by adding the third column. I mean 128 plus 0 is equal to 128, and if you add 128 plus 64 is equal to 192, and 128 plus 64 plus 32 equal to 224. In that way I have wrote the value in the first column, and the third value is coming from the power of the second column value. So 2 to power 7 is equal to 128, 2 to power 6 is equal to 64, 2 to power 5 is equal to 32. In that way you can get the value of the third column. So this is it for this table, and you can see I have drawn this another table which I have took from the previous video. So to make you understand, the class A has 1 bytes of network, class B have 2 bytes of network, and class C have 3 bytes of network. So let's see the methods what I have used to do subnetting. So now we'll start with our class C. So here you can see, like, I have got an IP address that is 192.68.10.0. So, and my CIDR value is 27. So I have to do subnetting of this IP address. So at first what I'll do, it is class C. So I should know the subnet mask of 24.255.255.255.0, and now I have to subtract from 27 CIDR value, and I'll get 3. If you subtract 27 minus 24, then you'll get value 3, and from that table you can see the value of 3 places 224, and in that way you can find the subnet of 27. Now we have to subtract from the full net mask, that is 255.255.255.255 minus 255.255.224. Okay, and you will get the value 31. So now in that way you can find the broadcast address and host range. So you can see here in this. Yeah, now we'll see the subnet masks we'll have to find for the 20 host. So we have given a network IP address that is 172.16.10.0, and now we haven't given any CIDR value or anything, but we can see the host. So the 20 is satisfied, we can find from the table in which rank. So 2 to power 5 is satisfying the 20. So you can see 2 to power 5 is 32. So in the 32 the 20 is been satisfied. Yeah, you can see here. And now if you find the 20 place, then you have to subtract from 32 minus 5, you'll get 27. And in the previous way you can follow the method and you can do the rest of the subnetting. In the same way you can see in the class B, our CIDR value for the class B is 16, and you can follow the previous way what I have done in the class C, and you can understand this subnetting process as well. Yeah, so what I have did here means at first 21. So if you add 16 plus 5, then it will come 21 value, and you can go into the table and you can find the value of 27 sorry. And in the same way you can see for the 20 host in the class B. So you have to follow the same method and you can find the every classes subnetting. So just you have to remember, in the class C you have to use 24, class B 16, and class A 8. Otherwise you have to follow the same process what I have done in this video, and that table is so important. So if you have any confusion with this process, or if you don't find any values, you can go back and watch that table, and you can find like why I have done the value. So yeah, so in this way you guys, you can do the subnetting of various classes. And if you have any queries or anything that you have want to understand, just put comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching this video guys, and this is it for this video. And if you find this video is helpful and informative, do not forget to like, share and subscribe NK Easy Tech. So till then, thank you and bye, and I will meet you with the